I am Abhijit, presenting JalSevak Solutions Household Greywater Recycling System WARSHA, which is capable of treating up to 5,000 liters of greywater per household per day. The greywater from activities like shower, laundry, hand basin, kitchen sink, it is all collected in an underground sump, and it is delivered into our system through this inlet pipe. The greywater is then treated in this treatment tank by using a small dosing of a suppressant chemical. After the dosing is complete, a treated water is sent into our filtration system through this small pump, and this pump passes the treated water into a 3-level filter comprising of a micron filter and a sand and carbon filter, after which the treated water can be sent into final delivery tank for further usage. We have made this system completely automated using this control panel, which controls the entire aspect of the system, such as opening of valves, turning the pump on, turning the other dosing pumps on, and so on. This is a fully automated system without requiring any day-to-day maintenance from household personnel or a staff, and this system is capable of treating up to 5,000 liters of greywater per day. Thank you.